What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on Solana because we just hit a new all-time high and also we took liquidity above this important bearish order block that I talked about in my previous analysis. So if you are interested about the exact price that I think Solana is gonna hit, and also if you are interested about the exact setups that I'm planning to take here, of course if certain conditions are met, then definitely watch this video till the end. If you like my analysis and you want to know about all the trades and about all the potential setups that I'm currently watching, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group where I am sharing this every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on a weekly time frame. As I said in the intro, right now we took liquidity above this bearish order block, which is level approximately 260.1. Right now it is really important how this weekly candle will close, because if it will close above this resistance area, we will get into a support confirmation phase, and in case of a support confirmation, this can be a first interesting long opportunity. The exact trade can then look, for example, like this. So entry will be somewhere above this bearish order block after support confirmation, and stop loss in this case you need to place somewhere back to this bearish order block, because if there will be breakdown again with a resistance confirmation in this area, then the price is probably gonna test like these lower prices, perhaps a level like 200. So yeah, you simply don't want to place your stop loss under these levels, because then the risk reward ratio is not gonna be great. Your last take profit target in this case you can then place, in my opinion, under $500 mark, because we will be in the price discovery phase, and in the price discovery phase I think this coin can do really big moves, because we don't have here any previous important resistances. And also, in my opinion, alt season is right now in the beginning, and this is definitely one of the most bullish altcoins in the current bull market. So in my opinion, a price $500 is really good, and there is pretty high probability that we are gonna achieve this. Your risk reward ratio is gonna be approximately around 12, but of course it will depend on how big your potential stop loss will be. So if you will choose to have, let's say, bigger stop loss, then the risk reward ratio is going to be slightly worse, and if you will, on the other hand, if you will have it smaller, then your risk reward ratio is gonna be better. In this case, you want to also take multiple take profit targets, and you want to take it like under important psychological resistances. So your main take profit targets will be under $300 mark, under 400, and under 500. And of course, you can take some other profits, so for example, like 350, 450, but like these three take profit targets should be the main one, and always take your take profit target slightly under that. So let's say level approximately like 294, 390, and yeah, 497, 495, something like that, which will give you, in this case, risk reward ratio around like 9, 8, something like that, which is, in my opinion, absolutely amazing setup on a weekly time frame. I know that you can also trade it on a daily time frame, but here we don't have a bearish order block, and so you can, for example, use this area as a potential stop loss, because for example you can place it like under these previous lows. So if you will switch on a weekly time frame, you will place it like under this previous low, but then the potential stop loss will be like 12.7%, which will really decrease your risk reward ratio. So yeah, you need to think if this is worth of taking that lower risk. But me personally, I will be placing the stop loss if these conditions are met around like 8%, around 8-7%, yeah, something like that, to have that good risk reward ratio. And if you want to, for example, copy my exact trades, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord training group where I am sharing these types of setups every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Another potential trade that we can say here will be in case of a liquidity grab under this bullish order block, which is between levels 238 and 230. And if we are gonna take a liquidity under, which means that we will take liquidity under like all of these previous important lows, and after that we will see here a support confirmation, then you can open here a long trade. Stop loss in this case you want to place under the low that we will trade during the fake out, into our last take profit target you can again place under $500 mark, because in my opinion, again, there is pretty high probability that in the upcoming bull market we are gonna let's say test these areas, and also there's pretty high probability that after a liquidity grab and support confirmation we are gonna break the current high. This trade can give you risk reward ratio up to 27, which is absolutely insane. So even if you are gonna take multiple take profit targets, which you definitely should, the risk reward ratio is still gonna be like 20, 18, something like that, which is absolutely amazing setup. So yeah, in case of a small fall, you can see that to this order block or like to this liquidity grab to be reached, there needs to be a drop around like 12-13%, which can happen, let's say, really soon. Then definitely don't forget to open this trade. And again, if you want to copy my trades, join my Discord trading group so you know about these setups as soon as possible. Let's now summarize it. From its all-time low, which was in the previous, I'm not counting like these lower prices, but from the last bear market, the price was around like 780. So to the current all-time high, it was a pump around like 3,000 and 250% in like 2 years, which is yeah, really crazy. Right now, if there will be that support confirmation, I'm expecting here another pump, but even without that support confirmation, I'm expecting here a small consolidation. Perhaps the setups that I showed you on the lower time frames, and then another huge pump. And my main take profit target from this bull market is $500. Definitely in the comments, let me know what is the exact price that you think Solana is gonna hit in this bull market. We can definitely make some discussion. And also I will be really happy if you will consider subscribe to my YouTube channel so you wouldn't miss out on any of my new video. But hey guys, this will be all from me for today. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.